everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery, and this is Avery's World. Today we'll be doing another jewelry unboxing. Now before we get started, I would just like to show you some of the tools I use. A pair of scissors, a magnifying glass, a magnet to check for sterling silver, a mandrel to determine ring sizes, and a tape measure to find the length of bracelets and necklaces. Okay, you guys, I think we'll start with this package. Now, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. I usually do jewelry and clothing hauls, and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay, let's see what we have. It looks like 2 bracelets. If I can just get it open. I might need my scissors for this one. Okay. Now remember, if you're interested in purchasing any of these items, you can send me a message on Instagram, or you can leave a comment down below. Okay, so here's the first item. A very pretty silver bangle, and it does say 925. Let's test it with the magnet to see if it'll stick. Nope, so that's a good sign. And it's pretty shiny, it's very pretty. Let's get this out the way. Okay, on to the next. I think I like this bangle better than the first one. I really like the twist pattern. Very pretty. Let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. Nope, it's not sticking, so that's a good sign. Okay, on to the next. I think I'll just move these so that you guys can see everything. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Just cleaning up again. Okay, I found one earring. Let's see if I can find the match. Okay. So we have a very pretty pair of sterling silver earrings. I'm not sure what the stone is. And we can test these with the magnet, and they are not sticking, so that's good. We'll just put them over here and on to the next. We have a single earring. The stone is very pretty, if you can see that. And it's sterling silver. Let's check it with the magnet just to make sure. And it is not sticking, so that's a good sign. Okay, on to the next piece. This is a very beautiful pendant with what looks like an amethyst stone. Very pretty. Needs some cleaning, but let's test it with a magnet. And it is not sticking, which is good. And I think this one is very pretty. Okay, on to the next. We have a pair of sterling earrings. And I'm not sure what these beads are. They're very pretty though, the earrings. Let's see if they stick to the magnet. And they did stick to the magnet, which is a bad sign. But I think that the actual earring part that goes into your ear is sterling, but the rest of it may not be. Okay. Let's see what our next item is. We have a very pretty ring with a blue stone. It might be blue topaz, I'm not sure. Let's see if it'll stick to the magnet. No. So that's good. And let's see what size this is. It looks like a 7.5. Let's see how it looks if I try it on. I think it's very pretty. What do you guys think? Okay, this is the last item. Very pretty sterling silver ring with what looks like could be an onyx as the main stone. Let's see if it sticks to the magnet. It does not, which is good. And let's see what size this ring is. It's actually a little bit of a larger ring. It's 8 3/4. Okay, and now I can try it on. Let's see how it looks. I think it's very pretty. Okay, you guys, what was your favorite piece from today's video? I really liked the onyx ring. Okay, bye you guys. See you next time.